we had a question about what you would recommend is the best replacement for bread, if any.
Oh, bread. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ بِبread. Wallahi, two things that I did, like when I found out about bread, subhanallah, bread and cheese, my body composition changed dramatically. Like the cheese because of the salt, which was holding water, and then the bread because of the sugar, and then even the gluten, right? So a good replacement for bread, I would start again, gradual, lessen the bread, the types of bread that you eat, maybe move on to wheat bread. And that I'd say, okay, just generally move on to wheat bread and then move on to sprouted bread. Sprouted bread, like Ezekiel bread. You can find this in like Whole Foods or Sprouts, right? It doesn't have the gluten in there. And it doesn't have the sugar as well. And it'll have fiber because some of them will have lentils in it, and chia seeds. Chia seeds is a great source of fiber, probably one of the best sources of fiber, and hemp seeds, right? And fiber is good for massaging and helping the colon, and also feeling satiated, feeling full. So I would move to like sprouted bread as opposed to bread, to where you gradually can replace the majority of what you eat, bread with vegetables. So instead of having a sandwich with like a hamburger, you just have some romaine lettuce or lettuce with it. I would say romaine lettuce rather than iceberg lettuce, because romaine lettuce is more nutrient dense. And Allah knows best. So sprouted bread is a good choice. Start by lessening the bread that you're eating and just replace it with protein. Because a lot of times people say, bread, well, I don't feel full. Well, replace it with protein. Add one more chicken quarter, leg quarter, as opposed to the naan or the pita bread, right? Replace it with some more protein.